back with another video, and today we are back here, and you guys might remember this from last year. I went mushroom hunting last year, so we're going to go mushroom hunting this year, at this time, right now, back here where we went last year. See you guys. So we're going to look for some mushrooms. It looks like people's already went through here. There's a lot of stomped down leaves. Hey guys, Elijah found the first one right here.
You want to pick it, right?
Why'd you get the root?
I don't know.
Yeah, that was a mistake. But where there's one, there's usually more, so we're gonna
there is.
look for more right around here. I just found yet another.
Oh, look at that.
This is fourth.
I'm gonna get down there low. Oh.
What do you think?
Russian jet. Pretty good out of mine.
Yep, my dad found two actual, three. One is right here. One is right here. I'll pick it.
Ryan got another one. No, live action up here.
He got another right there. Well, Ryan did.
Don't put them in your pocket, you'll crush them.
I'll take this. We got two, a double right here.
I want my fork right by that one. What do you got? Oh, nice.
There we go.
So we're all on the board except for Malachi. He's gonna get next.
Yep. Got these two.
There's another patch of four.
Let's see if there's any more.
I see leaves and they trick me all the time. How about you guys?
Look what it's all so bad.
Oh, yep.
Set it up right.
Okay,
There's
guys.
one, Elijah. Right in front of you.
Right in front of Elijah,
Elijah,
and
right in front of you.
I am finally on the board with one. Let's get that up.
That's fine,
You
guys.
grab it right there by the base and pinch it off and leave about that much left for them to grow next year. Hey guys, so I found one right here. You gotta watch my step because usually where there's one, there's more. As we've seen with Dad. My grandma's here. But I found one. Let's get down here. Make sure.
Yeah, I see it.
Right here. Perfect. That's the one that's some that we have right now. That was just laying right up against that log. See if we can find any more through here. Okay, guys, so we have found yet another right there.
But look what it's growing beside us.
Yep, those things.
Yeah, I'd get that on it too. Get that on your video.
What? Focus.
You'll find mushrooms?
Well, that makes me want to look.
Oh, there's another right there.
Ha ha! Easy.
Put that in the bag.
Do it real slowly and easy.
What? What'd you say?
Do it slowly and easy.
Okay, guys, so unfortunately, we did not find any more mushrooms, but now we are going to go home and cook them up. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we're at the house, and right now we're cutting these mushrooms in half so they will cook better.
Tell me what you just
You
found.
slice them
They
right.
look so tasty.
My dare you tell me what you just found got. It's probably going to be comments LOL. Oh, it's so tiny.
There we go. So we just now put the mushrooms in a bag of flour. You flour them, and then after, you know it's ready when, well,
The thing says
your
those-
flour boils and you fry them up.
Those are looking
I have to do
absolutely
it again
fine and
because I was
delicious.
talking.
Just like my.
You hear that?
Sizzle.
I think that's the sound of goodness. You don't want to put them too close together. You want to give them space.
I'm gonna give you guys a little time lapse. So we just got them done. Elijah, do a taste test for us.
Alright, let's bet. Ready? Let's do this one.
You can put more salt. Remember.
Boxing!
Do a taste test. Here. You go.
I don't want any, Daddy.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna throw it.
It's good.
Okay, come on. Pass on salt.
Okay, guys, so we ate all the mushrooms, and we're done with that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.